Why does this seem more like water than gasoline? Pretty sure it's gasoline though. Yeah, it smells like gasoline. Oops. Alright, so that blade doesn't look terrible. Just very rusted. At least surface wise. But it's not terrible. It's actually in a lot better shape than I thought it would be. Yep. I mean, it's just rusted, and there's a couple pits in it, but this will clean up very nice. It's loose. Tighten it back up a bit. Let's remove this one. And we'll be able to drain the oil. So there we go, the engine's free. Now we're going to drain out the oil. Okay, so all that's left to do now is remove that throttle cable. There, throttle cable's released. Now I can put this engine away. Hey guys, so today we have this. Now you may not recognize this, but this is that MTD lawnmower that I found in the trash. See, there it is, big bold letters, MTD. There it is, in big bold letters, MTD. It's a yard machine. Found this one in the garbage, and it was not running. I'll link the original video up here, as well as in the description below. And if you remember from last time when I put it into storage, and if you haven't, there was a short recap at the beginning of the video. Plus there was a short I had released earlier with a recap to it. Well, this time, instead of taking the engine off, we're going to put the engine in, add some oil, start it up, and get it ready for sale. Alright guys, let's crack into this. Okay, so first things first, let me go grab the engine so we can get it on here. There we go, the engine's on. Now to get the bolts in, let me just go grab my gun, that way we can fire it all in. So first thing we got to do is secure the engine. I'm just going to reach under, lift it up a little, rest it on my knee, reach under, and secure at least one engine mount. There, I've got one. Now I can lift it up. There. Get the rest of them in. There, I believe they're ½ inch. Let me just make sure. Yeah, they're ½ inch. Let me quickly run them down. There's two, but it won't let go. All right, and it looks like the last one is 9/16. Not sure how that happened. And there we go. The engine's mounted. Didn't like how stable that block wasn't. So we'll get it up on that one. Now to get that blade and blade adapter on. Don't know if you remember the blade from the previous episode. Take a look at that now. Yeah, much better. Oh, and we don't need this anymore. There we go. So 5/8, and we'll get this on. The wings go up. First, we'll get the blade adapter on. Okay, that one doesn't go on there. Must be the wrong blade adapter. All right, so let's get the blade adapter on. There's the blade adapter. Now the blade. There we go. Now to shoot it on. Level 3. Perfect. Now we can put that down, and it says no oil. So now we add 20 ounces of oil. So let's add the 20 ounces of 10W30. So we'll fill this up to 20 ounces. Now, as usual, I'll add about 18 ounces of oil into it, let it settle, then we'll check and make sure that that's at the correct amount, and if not, we'll add more. So let's add the oil. Make sure 100% that there is no oil. Yeah, there's no oil. Let's let it settle, and we'll check the amount. And it looks like we're at the add mark. So we'll add 2 ounces. Try it again. And we are perfect. There we are. Right there. Now all that's left to do is add some fuel and try to start it up. Okay, so we'll add some fuel. Not too much. No need to add too much. Just enough to get her going. Guess I'll have to attach the handlebars. There should be enough fuel. Let me grab the handlebars. We'll give it a try. Hey, look at that, guys. Look what I found. A red subscribe button. If you made it this far into the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget, give it a thumbs up. Comment below. I love to read your comments, and I try to reply to as many of them as I can, especially the early ones. All right, guys, back to the video. Here we go. Handlebars. Come on, bars, go in. I don't know why this side won't go down. It's being caught up on something. Well, you know what? I don't really need the handlebars. I need the bail. So that, let's see if I can actually do it this way. Okay, that's on. I'm going to give it a couple primes. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's good. Right. Yep, bail works. Oh. Right. Let's put the spark plug wire on. Ooh, she wants to fire. Give it another prime or 2. We'll try it again one more time. One more time for good measure. Haha! Perfect! Right, now let's just quickly check the oil level one more time. Yeah, oil level looks good. We're good to go. All right, let me get this properly assembled up. Get the handlebars all nicely on. This way we can give it a proper test and let her run for a little bit. All right, guys, see you soon. All right, so got the handlebars in. I didn't have the right screws. I've got 1/4-20s, but they're not long enough, and they're not the thumb screw version, but they're holding the handlebars in place, which is the most important part. So we're going to give it a quick test. Grass hasn't really fully started to grow, but this is old grass, and why not? So let's pull it over, see how it goes. So not bad, not bad. Went from a trash find to a perfectly functioning running lawnmower. That should fetch a little bit. I figure maybe sell it for around $100. Be a good starting point. It's in really good condition. Brand new blade on it. Oh, sorry, no, not a brand new blade, but the blade sharpened up. It's in great condition. Just got to oil the air filter, and she's ready to go. All right, guys. Well, I guess that's a wrap on this old trash find MTD mower. Time to say goodbye. So not bad, eh, guys? Went pretty well. I mean, from a trash find to this, I mean, it looks fantastic. Looks absolutely fantastic. All I got to do is find those little screws, or switch them out to proper screws that hold it down. But aside from that, seems to be pretty good. All right, guys. Spark plug off for safety.